Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Gave. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ultimate lamb masala. This recipe is traditionally made it from my mother from many generation, from her mother to my mother. So it's simply easy, and we're going to make a homemade garam masala, and I'm going to show you the step by step so you don't miss out all the step, and it's so delicious and goes well with any rice. So let's begin. So you need a rack of lamb. Just cut through the each bone in the between. It's very easy to cut, and you can see the fat and the tender meat in sticking to the bone, and the meat is really tender and juicy. When you press it the knife, you will easily can cut through the meat, and you no need to very difficult, and you no need to run through the in between bone. Now we're going to marinate this lamb with a simple marination. It's a salt, turmeric, chili powder or cayenne powder, and we're going to rub all the marination, the spices, for few hours. It's good you marinate overnight. It will absorb all that salt and the chili powder and turmeric. And the main is ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is just give that the best flavor to the meat. It's instant meat tenderizer. So give this method. Rub all the spices and keep aside or marinate inside the refrigerator for overnight or at least 3 to 4 hours. Dry mutton masala. So friend, please check your description box for the spices list. It really good measurement, and the flavor is so good. It's homemade garam masala. Please check the description box to find the homemade garam masala mutton masala recipe. Now we can grind this roasted garam masala to the coarser powder. This is the right consistent. Wet masala. Let's see how to make a wet masala. So basically we need a oil. So I'm using a few tablespoons of oil. Red onion. If you have the small onion, it will be really delicious. Saute. One-fourth cup coconut. Now we can leave it saute, and I'm adding the 1 tablespoon poppy seed, 2 to 3 tablespoon cashew nut. So this is basically creamy masala. It's a wet masala. Give a nice saute until all fully cooked. Add about half cup water and grind to smooth paste. Let's see how to pre-cook lamb methods. So I'm using a pressure cooker. So we marinate the lamb overnight. I'm just bring it down and I'm placed inside a electric pressure cooker. Today I'm using Insania pressure cooker. So now I'm adding a 1 chopped onion, red onion. I'm just adding the coconut masala, the wet masala that I grind in before, and I'm adding another half cup water. So it should be covered up all that lamb and just mix all that in one time before we're going to put the lid and the pressure. So I'm going to lid on and I'm going to start the pressure cooker. So please check the description box to find a different method. So I'm using 18 minutes in a manual setting. So the lamb fully cooked, so tender. So do not overcook the meat because we're going to keep cooking another step. Saute method perfection. So in this method I'm using the pan and I'm using the olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoon olive oil. So I'm just using the raw garam masala. Once it's splattering, we're going to add a chopped onion. You can hear that all that this popping sound. Another chopped onion. It's very good if you have the small onion. It's going to be delicious. If you don't have, it's fine. Red onion is just okay. I'm adding about half teaspoon of salt. It helps to browning the onion. Keep saute until onion changing to brown. Now I am adding the ginger garlic paste. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. It's really give nice vibrant color to our mutton masala or lamb masala. So just give a nice saute. It helps to prevent that all the raw smell. Now I'm adding the cooked mutton or lamb inside this saute. And we're going to keep saute until all the oil break down. Now you can final season with the salt. You can see the gravy getting thicker, all the reduction. It's up to you. You can always have more gravy and you can start adding the dry roasted masala in this time, or you can keep cooking until you like to having more roasted kind of. So now I'm adding the mutton garam masala, and then just sprinkle a generous amount, about 1-2 tablespoon the powder mutton masala. I'm going to keep saute until all cook and combine together. The aroma is really good. The gravy start getting thicker. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of yogurt. This is optional. So I like the little creamy texture because the mutton masala is really spicy, and you can reduce the spiciness with any creamy or yogurt or heavy whipped cream. This is alternative. If you like, you can always add it. If you like keep the spicy, you always can leave it alone. Now I'm just give a nice mix in the end. You can see it's really simmer slowly. Reduce the temperature so it will start break all the oil. Now final touch, I'm adding a little black pepper powder. So friends, always add the black pepper powder in the end. Each time you're making any meat or seafood, always add in the end, so it's avoiding the bitterness from the pepper. Now it's completely ready. So thick and so succulent. Now let's see how we can plate this delicious lamb masala. So I'm just plating, and I'm just arranging each bone of rack, and I'm reserve more gravy. And you always can serve with a salad or onion, sliced onion. This can be appetizer or party favor. You always can make a for the side dish for the dosa, biryani, basmati rice. Anything is so good. If you make a for a non-vegetarian friends, they're going to be love this lamb masala. The unique flavor and so delicious. The meat itself really delicious. Is a bone and the fat and a tender juicy meat. Today I made the rainbow biryani. It's famous in Malaysia, and it will really go so well. And you can see that it's easily cut by spoon itself. It's so tender, and you can so delicious friend, and you can finish it no time. I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel. Please do subscribe, click that bell button to get a notification, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.